So it starts with this intro.
So how do I know when to come in then?
I'll give you a nod.
Yeah, okay. Hang on. Okay, we're good.
We've been the beasts of many battles, champions of war, wearied by the weight of armour, but wearied even more by facing foes on fearful fields in bitter certainty that to kill our bonded brothers has been our destiny. And now it has come. Here are my last commands to the soldiers who followed me well. After mightiest labours, victorious stands, we now turn from the passage to hell. And we bears of the battles were never so strong as when faced by an enemy's might. Remember, my kin, you have mauled your last man as we climb from the dark to the light. So lift your helmets from your brows, tear off the visor's blind, cast metalled cries into the past, straps never more to bind. And waves of nightingales will sweep us softly out to sea and land us one by one wherever we were meant to be. A throne's tainted glory was never the goal, despite many grand words that were spoke. For the next loud pretender would stake his own claim, and the circle would never be broke. And we wolves of the wilds were first on the field, bringing howls that were horror to hear. Remember, my pack, that we stamped on the soil that let families feed without fear. So dash your shields against the rocks, let broke defences fall, no more to guard a weary heart, no more to force a wall. And waves of nightingales will sweep us softly out to sea and land us one by one wherever we were meant to be. Our fathers, and their fathers too, foresaw but forgot war could end. But here, now, today, in this moment in time, the scars in our souls start to mend. And we lions of longing were never so sad as when told of the death of a king. Remember, my friends, that the reason we roared was our pride in what we could begin. So take your swords from battered scabbards, gently push them down. Their blades no more to wage wild war, points buried in the ground. And waves of nightingales will sweep us softly out to sea and land us one by one wherever we were meant to be. And waves of nightingales will sweep us softly out to sea and land us one by one where we were always meant to be.